left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
So we're hanging out in Central Park, and it's beer time.
Beer time. Soda time.
It's carbonated beverage time.
Carbonated beverage time. I'll drink to that.
Very good.
What a way to spend the day in Central Park.
I think so.
What's this called? The Tavern?
The tavern.
On the
Tavern
green.
to go. Or get a tavern on the green. Bye.
Not bad.
Welcome aboard the Staten Island Ferry.
Still walking around New York City. We got our honey roasted peanuts and cashews. Just had an amazing vegan sushi dinner. And now we're walking around New York City at nighttime.
Our sushi restaurant was called Beyond Sushi. And we got it Sunday for Mother's Day. And then we came back today and got it again. That's how good it is.
It's so good.
I'm stuffed and I'm still eating these nuts because they're delicious.
So delicious. Yeah. Alright, here's Brian Park.
All right, so what should we tell everyone to do?
Like and subscribe. Yes! We want you to like and subscribe, don't listen to her.
I have those nuts all stuck in my teeth.
I'm loving it.
But all in all, this has been a great trip.
Oh yeah, absolutely. A really good time.
No complaints. Loving our spot. What, 10 minutes, 15 minutes on the metro?
So which is called the Path.
The path. 10-15 minutes on the path and you get right into the city. But figure Liberty Harbor is only 5 blocks from the path station.
Yeah.
And then you ride it all the way to 33rd. And you get you 33rd and 6th.
So that's one option, and it costs you $2.25 a trip.
Yeah, I believe $2.25.
So it's $5 a round ticket per person. So that's an option. Another is Ubering. We looked at the prices of that. It was going to be over $50 to Uber one way.
And you can also take that metro, the path station, straight to a World Trade Center.
And then the other option is to drive in your own car. It's $17 to get over the bridge each way. So that's not, and then you have to find parking, which we have read is about $20 every half hour.
Yeah, parking up here.
I am totally down for that. How do we go? We just go in?
I think you just go in.
Not open?
It might not be open.
Use this facility any hour the park is open.
Park might not be open. They're locking it up.
Must like just was there.
Yeah, it looks like they're just locking it up.
You really need to go? But you just went at the restaurant.
I know.
Alright, we'll go ask someone.
It's good. Every time. What's up, guys? So last night on the way pulling into New Jersey, I got an indicator light come on that said water in the fuel tank. Done a little research online last night, and it showed that water in the fuel water separator is what will cause that warning light. Now I'm going to try to drain my water fuel separator and try not to break my camera in the meantime. From what I've read and researched, It takes a pair of rubber gloves, a glass bottle, and accessing the fuel separator. I do know where the fuel separator is just by looking around and messing and learning about the engine. So, getting to it's always a fun part, because there it is, back in there. Fuel, water separator. There's a little sump at the bottom, and now I'm going to try to crawl under there and do it. Somehow try to record while I'm doing it. This is where the fun part comes in. So, first things first, I'm going to put on the gloves before. I won't be able to do that upside down on my head. Alright, let's see how I can do this. Can't even get under here right now. All right. Little layer of water in there, definitely see that happening. Really easy to okay, and we cap it off just like that. There, can you see? Diesel is at the bottom. There's a little layer of water. I believe it's at the bottom there. So now I'm trying to take off my gloves and grab the camera back. And shimmy myself out. Shimmy myself out is exactly the key there. Okay, and don't forget your phone, and don't forget your keys, and then I'll come back and get some paper towels to clean it all up. But that's just as simple as it is for a fuel water indicator light. It might be a simple fix, so be sure to keep an eye on that filter and that separator, because gas stations, especially nowadays with the way gas prices are, can't trust anybody. So So I have a feeling some sneaky business going on, and water gets into the fuel. This doesn't look like any sneaky business. This looks more like just a little drippage, condensation that could have happened over time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water into this bottle just so I can see the difference between gas and water, so I know what I'm looking for. So it looks pretty diesel-y to me. Diesel-y is not a word, I just made that up. Here we go. Let's just add some water right here from the faucet. That way it mixed it up a little bit. But what I'm going to do is let that sit. Yeah, see, it's separating at the bottom, so I was right. So it was very little water in it. Now I just poured some water and you can already starting to see it separate. And clean up that mess. And that's it. Nice little video. Tip tricks today. Take it easy, guys.